Hey, welcome to What We Thought. I'm Kevin, and I got to tell you, we work on this backyard, the gardening area, and it looks beautiful. And underneath the patio, sometimes you just let it kind of go. And we've got a couple of chairs here. The table's getting all messy, and just the whole backyard's the patio part is kind of a mess. And Elizabeth's been bugging me, and she's like, "We need to do put like a nice sectional or something in there." And it just so happens, Pamapic wanted me to do a review, or wanted us to do a review on a 6-piece sectional, outdoor sectional. It's got 4 chairs, a table, and like a love seat. And Elizabeth doesn't know, and she's on her way over here, and I think I hear her. So yeah, I think that's here. So let me call her out here and kind of surprise her and see what she says. Okay, let me go. I got a surprise for you.
Really? What
are you? Well, you've been bothering me about getting this area cleaned up, and you wanting nice tables and chairs and stuff. Ooh. Look what Pamapic sent us.
Wow.
It's a 6-piece outdoor sectional.
So you're actually going to clean this area up?
Oh, no, you're going to clean it. You're going to put these together, and I'm just going to enjoy them.
Wow. I'm excited. I don't believe that he's going to clean this area, but we'll see.
Well, you have to see the before, and I'm probably going to have to put these together.
Mm-hmm. How many pieces come with this?
That's 6-piece. Mm-hmm. There's 4 chairs, like a love seat, and a table.
Wow.
So hopefully that's enough.
Well, thank you for sending this to us.
So this area right here is probably about 10 by 10. So we'll see how it all fits in here. We could probably fudge it a little bit, 10 by 12. So.
And I will be happy to try it out after he puts it all together and tell you what I thought about it.
I guess I better get busy. All right, so I got the the love seat and table unboxed. Comes with the instructions. Instructions just give you a bunch of BCEC, all the screws and washers. It does come in a packet like this, but they're not labeled. BCE, they're not labeled. So if you look on the instructions page, you can kind of tell which screw is longer and which one's shorter, and then the washers are all the same. So B is the shorter one, C is the longer one. I think I can figure it out. Not that big of a deal. So the pieces aren't labeled either. This is one of the sides of the love seat. I'm going to call it love seat because it's 2-seater. And so logically, the top here has a hole, a place for a screw. This side does not. So that tells me this is the back of it. So the seat will go across here. The back will screw in here. Obviously the front doesn't have. So you can tell from that, if you just look at them, look them over, you can see like this will be, if you're looking at it, this will be the left one. So just thought I'd point that out. It's not that difficult to figure out. So anyway, back to putting it together. I'll tell you what, 8 screws, 8 washers, easy peasy. These things are easy to put together. Now I'm going to put the table together. Okay, that was super easy, and in true build-it-yourself furniture, you will have just about one of each left over in the screws. I think they do that in case you lose one, or maybe one gets jacked up. I don't know. Anyway, I got 4 chairs put together, so I guess I better get busy. All right, there it is. 6-piece. I got 4 chairs and a table and a little 2-seater. Boy, I'll tell you what, these are packaged. Plastic wrap, packaged nice. The pads, they inflate, you know, they're all squished. This one here so far has not come up. I'm a little concerned, but you know, I'll give it 24 to 48 hours. So what do you think? Looks pretty good, huh? I think they took me a little over an hour and a half to get all of them together, but I'll tell you what, unpackaging all that plastic wrap off everything probably took just as long as it took to screw everything together. Each piece only had 8 screws, 8 washers. You know, they didn't have all the A, B, C, D, E's like you have if you put together like an indoor hutch or some kind of furniture like that. This is easy to put together, outdoor furniture, easy to figure out. Screws are on one side, they only go in one way. And so I did a fast motion of putting these all together. And if you want to see exactly how they go together, if you want detail, Pamapic actually has like a 1 and 25-second video showing you exactly how to put it together. Okay, they also, these have a 1-year warranty. Anything wrong with them at all, just email the company and they'll take care of you. So it's a good looking set. It matches the house, it matches the backyard, the gray and the wood and the carpet. And yeah, we'll see what Elizabeth wants to do as far as arranging them. Okay. So I think I heard her just pull up. Let me see if she's there. Yep. Hey.
Hello.
Well.
Oh, good. I got.
What do you think?
Just in time for the work to be done.
What do you thought?
Looks pretty nice. Looks pretty nice. Oh, let me see. Oh, that was such hard work putting all that together.
Oh yeah, I know you worked your butt off.
You did a very good job. I know when the work is done.
Yeah, well now you have to arrange it all.
Yeah, I like it. No, it looks like it's very nice.
Yeah.
Well put together. Good job. And then the cushions on each one and solid. Yeah, that's really good because that'll be really hardy in the weather. And good job. I like it. And I think it looks like a very nice set. So.
All right, well this is the set from Pamapic. And there will be a link below. If you're interested in this, check it out. Have a good day.